Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Hey y'all, welcome to Dora's Garden once again, and if this is your first time, welcome. So in today's video, I just want to show you my eyebrow routine. Now, I've watched plenty of different eyebrow tutorials, and I'm here to show you how to achieve the most natural brow ever, okay? Ever. I like the way we used to get our eyebrows done back in the day, where we would get our eyebrows waxed or threaded, and it would be our brows, our natural brows. Believe it or not, I still do that to this day. Yes, I like to go monthly, okay, because naturally my brows they're not thick, but they're not sparse. They're in between. And so I feel like I can go a month without waxing my brows because it gives it time to fill in. One pointer I can honestly say is make sure that you do your research as far as going to nail salon and looking up the nail technicians. So let's just hop right into the video. I just wanted to give you a few pointers. Just making sure that you do your research, look at the reviews, and also, take a risk by trial and error. Like I said, just being comfortable with the person that you allow in your hair, allow to do your nails, that you allow to, do anything on your face, anywhere on your body. Just feel comfortable. That's number one key, okay? And making sure that they are paying attention to your requests. All right, so in this video, I kid you not, this is a one product and one step tutorial. The brow pencil that I'll be using is by e.l.f. Okay, this is my favorite, and it says the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. Okay, it comes with a spoolie on one end, okay, and then it comes with the, I was about to say, I know I have a little bit more left. So yes, look how small that is, how precise. Yep. And this is in the color brunette. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a future video. Okay. So I want to show you how my eyebrows look naturally, okay? So they're not thin, but they're not sparse, okay? If you do have sparse brows, you may need to take a step further than what I do, but this is for people who have medium to full brows, okay? Like I said, I like to go monthly to my nail tech so she can just, clean up this area. Now, the last time I touched my brows, I tried to clean it up myself. I ended up plucking more than I wanted, and then it was like I kind of had to start all over. So if you have the funds to do so, I would suggest it. If not, then the nail tech or the person that does do your brows, just ask them what are some tips that you can do at home. So the first thing I like to do is just use a spoolie and just brush them in the direction that they're going. Like so, okay. All right. And then you take the other end, okay. And you kind of outline it, but stay as close as your natural brow is, okay. And you just follow the shape, like so. Okay, and you want to do the same on the bottom. Okay, follow the shape. Okay, and like so. Okay, you want to do it a few times, just a few times to get a feel, to make sure that you don't miss any spots. And then you just start filling it in like a coloring book, color in the lines, like so. Okay, and as you get to the front, some people like to go up like feather-like. To me, honestly, as long as you gently graze the brow pencil in the front, it'll all look the same because you're not doing it too hard. So yep, so I have that gradient look. Okay, so yep, you just continue to just fill it in to your liking. Okay, you take the spoolie again and you just do this. That's why I feel like it really doesn't matter which direction you choose to fill in your brows, especially at the starter point or the start of your brow, because you will be using the spoolie to kind of give it that feather look. So you brush up and then you brush back the rest of the brow. Okay. All right. You see that? With this video, I would say that this is the most natural eyebrow tutorial ever because you're using your own eyebrow shape. I know some women like to draw on their own, draw a different shape, but I feel as though if you can go with the shape that you already have, embrace what you have. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side, you know, and it's always one brow looks better than the other. It's always like that. I don't know if you can tell. It's almost time for me to get a shape. Not get a shape up. I'm going to say get a shape up on my eyebrows. But to kind of clean up my brows. Okay, so you do the same thing to the other side. Okay. Use the spoolie. Then you just outline. You don't want to go too far up. Again, you just want to go with your natural brow, okay? And then now you see like right here, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I don't want to touch it just yet. So what I'm going to do is stroke the brow pencil in the direction I want it to go. So for starting here, I'm going to go up and around, up and around, up and around. You see how when I do it 2 or 3 times, it kind of shapes it on its own, similar to this one. Okay, so I want to make sure that it's even. Okay, so when you go right here, up and around, up and around. And then also going in with the spoolie after, it gets rid of any of the harsh lines. So this is where my brow starts, so I kind of went a little bit more. You can use a Q-tip to clean up the area, but I am just fine with what's going on. So alright, so I think I am satisfied with how much I filled it in, so I am going to do the same thing. Use the spoolie and go upward, okay, and then go back and just brush out, and then right here just kind of go with the brow pencil where I filled it in. Yep. And there you have it, the most natural looking brow using one product. Okay, now some women are going to be like, no, I need concealer, I need my eyebrows to look very precise. Naturally, our eyebrows don't look very sharp, very pointed, and like I said, I'm going for the most natural way. So I think that just with the brow pencil, you can get away with it. You can see it up close. Even if you see a little bit that needs to be cleaned up. You know, if you're not satisfied with this look, then yes, you can put concealer. But you know what I like to do? I like to put highlighter right there, okay? You can use a highlighter, so I'm going to show you. Okay. For my ladies that are not comfortable or not satisfied with just doing a brow pencil, okay? You have the option of putting concealer like most people do, or you can just put a little bit of highlighter right here where the arch is, okay? You could put a highlighter, or you can use like a liquid eyeliner, like a glitter one. I love to use this, okay? You can use a highlighter, okay? So I'm going to show you. So you just rub it and just gently just do that. Yep. Just like so. Right there. And that'll cover it. Like I said, you don't have to go out your way and do too much, okay? And I forgot to grab some Q-tips, but I can use my finger. And there you go. Voila. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Voila. Okay, let me stop. So yes, my lovely, this completes today's video. Tell me what you think, okay? Like I said, everybody just has their own way of doing their brows, and I just wanted to show something a little bit different. I like to hurry up and go. I'm not a makeup person. I don't wake up extra early to put on makeup. The most that I'll do, not even on a regular basis, but like when I know that I'm going out, my eyebrows, I'll just fill them in, and then maybe mascara, and that's it. Lip gloss, chapstick, and I go. I like to up and go. Something that's easy and simple. You understand where I'm coming from? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I like a one step, one product, ready and go out the house. That's it. So yes, thanks for tuning in. I hope that you really enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.